next thing we need to qualify is the decision maker. All right. Now, who knows about the grapevine game? What's the grapevine game, Keith? You play it with your daughters?
I say one thing to one person, they say something else to somebody else. And by the time it gets all the way back around to me, it's a completely different message, right?
If I wanted to tell you guys that the thing I used to do when I had live classes that I probably miss this as much as anything. I would whisper. So let's say we're all in a live, like an actual conference room together. I would whisper in Jay's ear, not in a creepy way, Jay, but I would whisper in your ear, the green truck delivering 4 pizzas, 2 pepperoni and 2 sausage stopped at 126 Hill Street to deliver pizzas and the guy only got a $2 tip. You can remember that, right?
Yeah, more or less.
Repeat it back to me.
The guy.
Okay, you don't have to go any further.
Yeah.
We all get the point. If Jay is telling that to Keith, and that's the message I gave him to tell, that this is my solution and these are my rates, and this is why you think I'm so great. You then have to go tell Keith, your CEO, about this great lawyer you met, and you're delivering this message. And then what do we already know about how you're delivering the message? It's destroyed. You've destroyed my message. So how important is it for you to get in front of the actual decision maker to get the deal across the finish line? Amir, how important is it if you're dealing with a CEO and the CFO is on top of it, that you get in front of that CFO?
Oh, it's critical, right? Like you want to be the one that's relaying that message, not someone else.
Okay, and what happens when you give it to the CEO to give to the CFO? What's the CFO going to say?
Well, he's got, I mean, first of all, I'm, again, not sure if he's going to hear, the complete message, but he may pass on it, right? He may not, act on it.
Is the CFO's compelling reasons, do you even know what they are? You just know the CEO's compelling reasons.
Yep. You don't know the CFO's, right?
So what's their fallback going to be? Rates, right? Why are we leaving our firm? They're fine. And I don't want to, I've got a friend over at this firm. I don't want to change. Or the CEO, you just want to spend money because that's what you do. My job is to keep you in check. All right. So you're more expensive, Amir, than the small local yokel firm they're with. And they don't want to move up to pay $550 an hour, $600 an hour because they're happy at $325. They don't see the value in it. The CFO doesn't see the value in it. You get why?
Yeah.
You've never met with the CFO. Has the CFO been through this?
No.
No. So this is me as the bearer of bad news for all of you. You now need to go and meet with the CFO and have as identical a conversation as you can have as you had with the CEO with the CFO.